recognize that tune.
You don't watch Fuck
you.
Got that
you want to go to this one? Or just...
I don't care.
It's hungry now or can wait? I can wait.
Oh, Taco Bell! That's where we're going, BT Dubs. I know we already told you, but it's whatever.
We didn't do the intro.
Eight.
Okay, you ready?
7, 8, 9. Evil.
Storm Chasers Unlimited Vlog Documentary Season 2 Part 8. Woo.
Woo.
As you can tell, nobody can understand what the hell you're saying when you do that.
Phil, slow down.
Go.
Winning.
YOLO light.
YOLO.
YOLO light. I don't know what that was. There was a bug that popped up on your windshield.
So we have to recap what we done did.
Recap what we done did, alright.
And then what we're gonna do.
Well, Mitch already told you our first in the shot what he got his Widow medal.
Swag.
And Braden got third in the discus and tied.
No, second in the discus.
Oh, that's what I meant. Third in the shot put and tied for second in the discus.
I got third in hammer.
You got medals. Hi.
And so now what are we gonna do?
We are going to go back to the Hojo's, to the Hojo Hotel. We're gonna grab our stuff required for swimming!
We know the pool was closed, but my hotel that I'm staying at now with my parents is not closed.
That's right, Mitch has parents.
I have to deal with a mom
Not
and
time
a dad.
to close it.
Is that all sweaty? But yeah, that's what's going on with that.
No.
But we're jamming.
Bad cameraman.
Look at my socks. They're Olympic. Alright, so that's what's going on. Anything else to say before we sign out?
I like boobies.
It's like boobies. Perfect. Nice.